Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to continue learning about three-dimensional shapes. Today we're going to focus on this new shape. Say cone. Cone. Say it up high. Cone. Say it down low. Cone. Say it to the right. Cone. Say it to the left. Cone. Let's clap to that. Cone. One syllable. The next shape is cylinder. Say cylinder. Good. What's the name? Cylinder. Let's say it a few times. Ready? Say it down. Cylinder. Say it behind. Cylinder. Say it above. Cylinder. Say it below. Cylinder. I'm ready to clap to that word. Ready? Cylinder. I think I heard 3. Cylinder. That's right, 3 syllables. Boys and girls, I need your attention here. So now, let's look at our essential question. Why don't you help me read? How do I identify and compare three-dimensional shapes? Last time I saw you, we talked about a cube and a sphere. And guess what? I can identify. And you can too. Name, cube. Name, sphere. Good identifying. Let's compare. I'm going to compare these. Oh, I remember the cube has 6 square faces. And this one has a circular face all around. I remember the cube has 8 vertices. I remember the sphere does not. I remember the cube has 12 edges. The sphere has no edges and no vertices. Good comparing, boys and girls. You're getting the essential question. So let me bring your attention here. Let's go over the knowledge for college. Are you ready? Read it with me. I can analyze and compare three-dimensional shapes using language like vertices, edges, faces. Our next knowledge for college is KG2. I can name the shapes. That's pretty easy, right? So again, we're going to be analyzing, comparing, and we're also going to be naming. Okay, so don't forget, knowledge for college. Let's get smart now. So today, boys and girls, I'm going to introduce 2 new shapes, cone and cylinder. I happen to have some cones right here. Boys and girls, what's this? That's right, it's a party hat. I got my daughter's party hat when she was 3 years old. I had saved it. So here it is. Boys and girls, can you say cone? And let's remember, I did a triangle here. Do you remember the difference between a 3-dimensional shape and a 2-dimensional shape? That's right. We can't pick it up. Can we pick up the 3-dimensional shape? Yes, we can. What else do you remember? For the 2-dimensional shapes, we can put it in our palm. And if you hear a clap, it's a what? 2-dimensional shape. Ready? Did you hear that? Let's try it again. That's right. This is a 2-dimensional shape. And I have another tool here, another cone I grabbed that I use for my liquids in my car. We're going to just look at this bottom part. I'm going to put it on my palm. Let's see if you hear a clap. No. So this is a what? 3-dimensional shape, just like my hat. Boys and girls, a cone has one circular face on the bottom. Although it's hollow, it's a little circular. This cone has one point at the top. It's one vertex. Only one vertex. So again, what's the bottom? It's a circular flat shape. How many vertices? One at the top. Have you seen cones around your house? Let's see. You know what? When I was writing some letter this morning, I saw it on my pen. The top of it, I saw a little block my daughter was playing. So cones are all around. So make sure when you go on your home search today, you look for some cool cones and you talk about their characteristics like vertices and what kind of faces you see, just like our standard says. Okay? The next shape I want to show you is, look, I'm using my can of beans. I love beans. Boys and girls, this is a cylinder. Can you say cylinder? This is a cylinder, boys and girls. And look, it has two circular faces. One, two. Do you see vertices on this cylinder? Uh-oh, I don't see any corners. Do you see vertices? No. So this is a cone. What kind of flat surfaces do we see? Circular surfaces. Two of them, two faces. Circular face. One, two. Does it have any vertices? No. Do you see edges like the cube? Let's see. Do you see edges? No. Have you seen cylinders around your house? You know what? Our home is filled with many cylinders, like straws, like a pen and marker. Those are all cylinders. So when you go on your home search today, make sure you look for cylinders. And remember, this is a three-dimensional shape because I can't clap it. And it has a top, bottom, and it has back and forth like we talked about. So once again, let's go over our two new shapes. Say cone, cylinder. And don't forget to do your workbooks after you see this lesson. See you later.